This is the 2025 BYD Keen, and it's here to shake up the sedan market yet again. BYD has been on a roll lately, and the new Keen builds on that momentum with a sharper design, smarter tech, and even better efficiency. Let's start with the looks. The 2025 Keen has a more aggressive front fascia, slimmer LED headlights, and a sleek fastback-style roofline that gives it a sportier stance. The rear has been cleaned up with a connected taillight bar and a subtle spoiler integrated into the trunk lid. It's definitely a more mature and confident design compared to the outgoing model. Under the hood, BYD continues to offer two main versions, a plug-in hybrid and a fully electric model. The EV version gets a larger blade battery this year, offering up to 610 km of range on the CLTC cycle. Real-world range should be somewhere around 500 km, depending on your driving style. As for performance, it's not a rocket, but with 0 to 100 in around 7 seconds, it's quick enough for daily driving and overtaking. The plug-in hybrid model, known as the Keen DM-i, is the more practical choice for those who want efficiency without range anxiety. With the latest version of BYD's DM-i technology, you can expect fuel consumption as low as 3.8 liters per 100 kilometers when running as a hybrid, and up to 120 kilometers of pure electric range for city commutes. Inside, the cabin feels a step above its class. The rotating 15.6-inch touchscreen remains the centerpiece, now with improved responsiveness and better integration with voice controls and smart apps. The digital instrument cluster is clean and customizable, and the interior materials, while not luxury-grade, feel solid and well put together. Passenger space is generous, especially in the rear, where you'll find plenty of legroom. The trunk is decent, though the fastback design slightly limits the opening. Still, for a daily sedan, it gets the job done. BYD has also made strides in safety tech. The 2025 Keen gets adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking is standard in most trims. For the price point, this is impressive. And speaking of price, the new Keen remains very competitive. Even fully loaded, it undercuts many of its EV and hybrid rivals, especially when you consider the features and range you are getting. So, who's the 2025 BYD Keen for? It's perfect for someone who wants a stylish, efficient, and tech-loaded sedan without breaking the bank. Whether you go for the hybrid or the full EV, you are getting a solid all-around package that proves once again that BYD isn't just catching up, it's leading the charge. Let me know in the comments what you think of the new BYD Keen. Would you pick this over a Tesla Model 3 or a Toyota Corolla hybrid? I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.